The jaguar is an interesting animal. It is the largest cat in the Americas. Today, jaguars can be found in Central and South America. Jaguars are usually yellow with black markings, but they can be darker. They are meat eaters. They eat many things such as monkeys, crocodiles, and fish. They can even bite through a turtle shell. Jaguars can run fast, climb trees, and swim. Most cats dislike water, but jaguars love the water. Jaguars are powerful and strong. I would love to see a jaguar in the wild one day. From far away, of course.
Great job! The way you spoke and the information you gave us was very good. Your speech was interesting. It had a good introduction and conclusion, but you had your hands in your pockets. Remember to take your hands out of your pockets before you begin.